Assalamu alaikum guys, you are watching my YouTube channel Multi Efforts and my name is Asif Shah. Today's our topic is decision making. There are several statements used in C++ for the decision making like if and else statement, go to statement and switch statement. Today we will study if and else statement. So what are the if statement? If statement is used to execute some code if the condition is true. Syntax of the if statement is if condition and then statement. So if the condition placed in these brackets comes true, then the statement in the curly bracket will be executed. An example, if 3 is less than 7, then print yes. Here you see it printed yes on the console. So there are many relational operators used for comparing the different values. Like some of the relational operators used in C++ are greater than sign, greater than or equal to sign, is equal to sign, or not equal to sign, or less than or equal to sign. So for example, if 3 is greater than 1, then execute the statement see out true. So what will happen if the condition placed in the if statement is not true? Like if you place 0 is not equal to 0, then what will happen? The program will simply execute the lines after the if statement. Here we write if after if. The program has successfully executed the lines after the if statement. But in the there is another statement used in C++. Like if the if statement are not true, then execute the else statement. See out yes. I'll execute this program. Here you see there the answer is not no, but it's yes rather than yes, because when firstly program checks the statement condition placed in if statement, like if 0 is not equal to, it's false, then program will the C++ compiler will skip the curly bracket of if statement and executed the else statement. So this is our lecture today, basic decision making statement. This was just a simple introduction to the if and else statement. Let's make a simple program to check the marks of a student and grade them. Here we have an integer marks. See out enter marks marks. If marks is equal to or if marks is greater than or equal to 50, cout pass. else fair. Let's run this. Okay, we are missing semicolon. 12 fair. If the marks are 70, pass. We can use nested if and else statement to make this program much good. Like we use here nested else if statement. If marks equal to 90, then print well done. And also if marks are equal to 60, print minus average. Okay, if you write marks like 70, like this, here you can check that first we have enter marks 90, then it checked the if statement. The marks are greater than or less than greater than or equal to 50, then it executed the pass statement. Then again it checked the nested if statement. The if marks are equal to 90 or not. Hence we have entered 90, then it also checked this statement and printed the well done. So that was the little concept about nested if statements. So hope you guys understand what are the basic of decision making used in C++. Okay, Allah Hafiz.